you very much, Startup Lanes, for giving me this opportunity to speak to the energetic startups which have been observing from today morning. And Mr. Rajesh Srinivasan, again, a hello to you. It's always good to hear you. The topic for me is all about how the startups can scale their success. Believe me, if you want to become a Tata's, or if you want to become a Birla's, or if you want to become Ambani's, or maybe beyond the world, beyond India, there are five basic principles which every startup has to really think about it, live with it, talk about it. And these five principles, what I talk about is basically the purpose. Why did you start your business? How is it going to help the community at large? How is it going to help you personally? How is it going to help your family? How is it going to help the society? If you have a purpose in place, believe me, the
Hey,
success
hey,
stories.
Sanjay, I'm so sorry to interrupt. I think Rajesh still sharing. Okay, got it. Okay.
Yeah, he just left. Thank you, Mr. Rajesh. So yeah, this is what I'm trying to tell you, that as startups, let's all dream big, think big, talk big, with the purpose behind the startup, whatever we are planning to do. And once we start a unit, or once we start our enterprise, believe me, nothing comes easy in life. You have to really, really pursue. I'm sure all the startups here, all the people who are associated in entrepreneurship, take this and talk about this, that perseverance is very important if you have to succeed in life. And believe me, while you are,
It's
can I continue, please? Hello?
please, sir, continue.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
Please continue, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. So while we are pursuing our enterprise, there are going to be a lot of challenges. There are going to be a lot of difficulties. Don't get deterred by these small difficulties. When you have a bigger picture in mind, when you plan to do something big for the society, something big for the country, something big for the world, the small hurdles you can just overcome without any hassles, without any with challenges, but you can still overcome only when you have a specific purpose and when you actually work on it. Along with all this, you have to have pride in yourself. You have to be very proud that what you are doing, what you are contributing to the world, is something very important, which is going to drastically change the world. Probably it will help the younger generation to do something better, something big. So this is the pride what you have to have always. Hold up when you start an enterprise. Be proud of your organization, be proud of your enterprise, and talk big about it. Don't talk anything small about it. Yes, you have, if you have to cross a hurdle, you have to start with a step one. But that step one has to, you should do it very proudly, and with a end in the mind, that saying that you're going to win this, you're going to make it happen. While doing all this, when I'm talking about purpose, perseverance, pride in your company, you should also have a lot of patience. Entrepreneurship is not a cakewalk. Entrepreneurship is not so easy. There are going to be a lot of challenges. At the same time, you should enjoy the destiny of entrepreneurship. You should enjoy both the wins and both the losses, and proceed further towards your bigger aim in life or bigger goal in life. Once you're practicing all this continuously in your daily system of working, you will start seeing your bank balances going up. You will see your profits coming up. So you will see that everything good is happening once you practice this first four principles what I'm talking about. So I end up, because I'm just given a time of 3 minutes, I end up this session that if you have to be successful in life, just follow these five principles. Purpose of your business, perseverance for your business, pride of your product, pride of your organization. Have patience to make this happen, and you will see the profits roaring in your banks. So wish you all the best, wish you all the success. If you want to know more about us, you can visit our website potterswheeltraining.com, where you will have a lot of training programs from us. and we can work out with you to help you the best. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Startup Lanes.